Before you order any takeaway, you gotta make this. Salt and pepper, lion's mane, and tofu. Don't need anything delivered. I can make it myself, and so can you. Man, it's freaking amazing. All the flavors, none of the fuss. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the lion's mane. I just picked this from my mushroom grow kit I got from Marvelous Mushrooms in the UK. And I'm gonna use this whole thing. I'm gonna leave this whole for now, but we'll prep up the tofu. So I got 2 blocks of tofu. I haven't done anything to them other than open them up. They're still a little wet. First we're gonna boil them. So I'm gonna cut them up. So I have some water boiling. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm just gonna boil this for like 5 minutes. I did make some rice ahead of time. So I'm just gonna let these cool. So I have a few chili peppers here, jalapeños. And then I have some bird's eye red chilies. I'm gonna take the seeds out. So obviously, if you're working with red chilies, like these freaking hot things, which are delicious by the way, the bird's eye chilies have so much flavor. It's not just about the heat, it's all about the flavor for me. And you might have heard it before. Always wash your hands. Never go to the bathroom right after you cut one of these hot peppers. Wash your hands first. These ones aren't spicy, so I'm not so concerned about removing the seeds. Because I'm going to make this more of a meal, not just a snack or an appetizer, I'm going to add 1 red onion. The lion's mane, I want to squeeze that water out. All of it. Tablespoon of black pepper, teaspoon of pink peppercorns, same with the white.
We just want to toast these for a few minutes to add that extra layer of flavor. And then in a pestle and mortar, grind them really fine to a dust and pass them through a fine strainer. Since I like using crystal salt, I'm going to toast that as well to remove any added moisture so it really dusts evenly. In a large bowl, I'm going to add 2 to 3 cups of cornstarch and coat each piece of tofu and lion's mane evenly. Don't worry if you add too much cornstarch because we're going to sift it and we can save it for later. In a medium sauce pot, I'm adding about 1 inch worth of rice bran oil.
So I don't have a thermometer, so I'm going to test it by tossing a parsley leaf in there. It's looking good.
Once the oil's hot enough, I'm going to fry these off in batches of 5 to 6 to maybe 10 pieces per batch, letting the oil heat up after each time you remove. It only takes a couple minutes for each piece, just making sure all sides are fried evenly. A nice golden crispy crust.
Lion's mane.
Since this is Friday night and that's guys' night over here, I'm gonna save all this, all the mise en place, have it all ready to go for when guests show up. Having it all prepped ahead of time makes quick work when you need to. It takes like 5 minutes to put this together. And your friends get to watch. In a ripping hot wok or whatever pan you're using, I'm gonna saute off the aromatic first, which is just the vegetables, and then add in the crispy, crunchy tofu and lion's mane. Dust it with a little bit of sesame oil. Add as much pepper as you want. I add about a spoonful of salt. If I had any MSG, I would add it here. I added the Chinese 5-spice, and then I start adding everything else, with the green onions being last. Stir it up, stir fry that till it's hot. This is less expensive and so much better than any takeaway I've had, especially here in my Truman Show little village. Serve it with some of that delicious fluffy white rice, or noodles if you got them, and veg accompaniments are always good. This was delicious. See you guys soon.